Have you ever felt worried while your live stream do lag and it makes you angry, which can even lead to frustration? Yes, I know what it is because I've been there before. In these few minutes, I'm going to share with you 5 basic reasons why your live stream do lag and the proper solution to it so you can have a smooth live stream. And make sure you stay tuned from the beginning to the end of this tutorial because who knows which solution might be your own. And at the end of this video, I'm going to share with you my OBS and VMIX setting. That being said, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you don't want to miss the next update. Thank you.
Preview.
This is the basic reason of your lagging stream because it is the source of which your streaming is coming from to the internet. And this can be a problem if your computer configuration is low to the requirements of your streaming software such as VMIX and OBS. You just need to upgrade your computer to the minimum requirements of your streaming program. And try as much as possible to minimize the input by getting rid of some pictures and videos that are not yet to be sent to the output. Resolution is the total number of pixels in your frame, measuring from the width to the height, provided that the higher the resolution, the clearer your video may be. And what is pixel? Pixel is a short form for picture element, which is the smaller unit of your picture. I recommend you use 1280 by 720 for a low-end computer or 1920 by 1080, and this will even help your audience for a less data consumption. This is how many still frames are shown every second, and we have many of them. We have 24 FPS, 30 FPS, 60 FPS, and 120 FPS. You will need to keep your FPS within the range of 24 to 30 if you are streaming a broadcast from church, maybe sports, or sometimes meeting. Using 60 to 120 FPS I only recommend for those streaming games, which you know their PC is always at the high end. If you find this content valuable, I will appreciate a like and a subscribe from you, which encourage me to create more content like this for you. Thank you, I appreciate that a lot. And if you are looking for assets to improve your video editing such as motion background, sound effects, and overlay, and many more, I have a link in this video description that will take you to my store for where you can get it for a token amount. Thanks for your patronage. Back to our discussion. This is a problem because if you have a poor internet connection, you cannot stream to the world. And this is what results to many times where your live stream is going on and the other people watching your live stream, it will be displayed on their phone as. So make sure you have a good internet connection. To enjoy a smooth live stream, you need to connect your internet to your computer using an Ethernet connection cable. Just as this, if you are using a bigger Wi-Fi, or you use this is just a micro-B charger, popularly known in my country as BlackBerry charger, if you are using a smaller Wi-Fi like this. This will help your internet connection not to be fluctuating if you are live streaming from your PC. This is the amount of data that is incorporated into your video that is being streamed online. That being said, it determines the quality of your video online. Before you set your live stream to go online, you need to check your internet speed connection. This will help you to know how many megabits per second is being delivered to you. And this is how I check mine. Yeah, now that you know your internet speed connection, this is another tip for you. If you have been experiencing that your Facebook live stream have been ending without you ending it, this is what you need to do. I I so much appreciate your time for sticking around from the beginning to the end of this video. This means a lot to me. And if you have any question concerning this topic, you can use the comment section below to ask me any question. I'm available to answer you. That being said, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll not be mixed out anytime, any day we drop the next update. So right now, like I promised earlier in this video about my VMIX and my OBS setting, there they are, and you can go through them if you want to copy my style. Thank you. See you in the next one.